Morning, what's going on? Look at this beautiful morning, guys. That's the view here from my front balcony. I have to go to Home Depot and just get a few things here. I wanna. So these windows were replaced, but you see these gaps. I need to like put caulking around that or silicone something because like small animals all those small animals like little lizards, stuff like that, get in the house, and it's annoying when there's I haven't been here in months. Probably haven't been here like I think like 5 to 7 months. I gotta look check. Yeah, I think like 6 months. So yeah, when I got here, there was a lot of like lizard droppings in a lot of the like around the window seals. So that was nasty. I that took me quite some time to clean it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Home Depot for that. I gotta check for a ladder. I'm probably gonna need like a wheelbarrow because in the back of the house there's like a water drainage. I'm just gonna head out to Home Depot and look at the stuff I need and see what's what I can get today and what I can get done today here at the house. I do leave in about so yeah, I leave in 2 days, guys. I haven't done that much because I was dealing with the purchasing of the vehicle, registering the vehicle, and getting all that done. Then I had to do clean. So like each thing, guys, took a whole day. So if you guys ever are doing those processes, just know there's a thing called island time, and they take their time, guys. They really do. So all right, I'll pick it back up. I guess at Home Depot. I just found this little what is this, like a lunch spot with a little drive-through coffee thing. So I'm gonna try it out. This place is definitely cool. Has that little small light drive-through there to order coffee. So I'm gonna go there and try it out, see if it's good. It's Sunday and Home Depot doesn't open till after 9. So I'm here waiting in line. They have these chicken things for $1.99. I don't know if to try that. This other spot here is like, I don't know if it's the same thing, but it's closed. All right, I ended up getting a coffee and ham, egg, and cheese croissant. So I'm gonna eat this and head to Home Depot. I'm probably like 2 minutes away. All right, we're back at the house. So I just went through my camera real quick, guys, and I noticed whatever I recorded between home and when I went to Home Depot, like one thing only stayed on the SD card. So this is a brand new SD card. So now I'm thinking there's something really up with my camera, and I left the GoPro at home because I didn't see a need to bring both cameras. So I'm gonna continue from here and see, like hopefully, with something I did wrong. But I don't know, guys. I think there's something definitely wrong with my camera. But anyway, I went and got silicone I don't know. I never, I think, dealt with this name brand. I don't know if it's just a Puerto Rico name brand or what. But I got silicone, guys. I had put this, like, I don't know if it's like a pesticide. I don't know, some type of poison. I put it around the house, and it did good. It's keeping the animals away, but the lizards, the small lizards, I keep finding like the droppings, like poop, in some areas, like around the windows. So I'm gonna try to seal all those up. And also, guys, I don't know why. Sorry about the mess, but you see, they have the cabinets mounted on the window, so that I want to take all this down. I've been cleaning up, guys. Leaving the house empty for a few months, it like deteriorates here in the island. I don't know if it's just because the the moisture and all that. But yeah, when I came in here, it was not moldy. It did have a weird smell, but I've been just cleaning up, guys, and getting stuff that I wanted to throw away out of here. But I'll pick it back up, guys. Let me get to it. Trying to see all these windows up at least. All right, guys, I got two of them done. See, it's sealed. So yeah, I got that one sealed. Also this one. I do have that wire right there, guys. Is to my camera. I have two cameras. One that one that was there, and one in the other entrance. Just for safety, I just wired them up like that for now. Cause like I still have to redo all that. Like I still have to rip out all this trim, repaint. Cause this house, the paint is so old, and the whole house is pink, guys. Like I said, I already did a whole video walkthrough and all that. I'm gonna do a new video on that before I leave. But now I'm just trying to take care of all these miscellaneous things. Small, but guys, how sketchy is this? This is a can of worms in every sense of the term. I sealed over there. So yeah, guys, this is very, very sketch. I have to get this all looked at. I mean, everything is functioning as far as electrical, but I definitely have to get it looked at by an electrician to make sure everything is safe. Like over here, this wire goes to this wire right here goes to an outside light, like a garage light, and I left it because it's on all night, and it actually provides, like, it's very bright. So like half of the property on the side the light is on is illuminated at night. So that's good. So I left it for now. I gotta get an electrician to actually wire that correctly. The guy who had this house, he's had it since the 80s. They lived here forever, and he was just very he's his health had deteriorated a lot. So he wasn't doing much around here anymore. And then he decided to leave to the States, and that's why he decided to sell me the house. So it was a great opportunity, guys. That's why I jumped on it. When I do the other video I'm doing on the walkthrough of the house, I'll break it down to you guys, like how much I paid for it and everything, and all the the positives and negatives of the house. But yeah, guys, we'll get into that later on. But let me continue doing this caulking job. All right, guys, I just realized this window has these like little plastic pieces they used. Let me show you guys. These little plastic things that are like sticking out here. So I'm gonna have to cut these out really quick. Has a few of them. I'm gonna have to cut those out really quick, and before I do the caulking, because they're like in the way. They didn't do the best job at installing these windows. All right. It's about to rain. I can see it down there. See how dark it is? In this. I love this breeze here though. It's always breezy. Oh yeah, it's coming. I hear it. It's almost here. It's crazy how you could tell where the rain is coming from. Look at that. Wow. I hear it getting closer. Oh yeah, it's here. It reached us already. I love it. Now you can't even see. It's good. It's definitely coming down now. Too bad I don't have my hammock up. I should have put it up. But I leave to what is today? I leave on Tuesday, so I didn't want to go through the trouble. Oh, it's coming down now. Looking crazy. Especially when you're up in the mountain like this. But I love it. That's why I got this property, because I love the mountain. You can even hear it in here. So yeah, guys, I love the way it sounds on the tin roof. Like I said, I wish I had my hammock up. I would be like taking a nap right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy this rain for a little bit. This is the evening now. I came out. I was gonna go for dinner, but I found the festival. I usually come here on Thursdays when I'm on vacation. It's like a plaza and they always have some like good music going on. So yeah, I saw that it was pretty packed today, so I'll just bring you guys along to it.
Este juego los dos van a competir, sigan ayer, nos vamos a acomodar. Oye, pero, ¿y que levante la mano el que tiene base? El que tiene cerveza ahora mismo es el duro, ¿verdad? Ok. Los que estuvieron el año pasado a lo mejor lo conocen, pero si no, lo voy a estar explicando nuevamente. Esto va a ser por eliminación sencilla. ¿Qué quiere decir? El último que aquí.
Me lo tienen que entregar aquí, yo soy Buda.
Ok, vamos a entregárselo a Bobel.
Yo soy
Buda, a Torru o a Yere. A cualquiera de los tres, a Torru, Yere o Bobel.
Preferiblemente hay más puntos para que nos entreguen a mí.
Ayer. Regla importante, no puedes tener el artículo tú mismo, ¿ok? You can have the item on you, alright? So, si yo fuera a decir...
O sea, si tú me estás pidiendo... Oye, el que está con el alto parlante, ¿cómo dice? Levanta la mano si tú tienes vaso.
Ok, estamos ready. Ahora sí.
was way too loud over there. I had to walk away. They're having a great time. It's like a beer fest where, like, I guess all the breweries got together and they're playing, like, I guess games. They're having a great time. But I thought I'd show you guys around here, around this little, like, small town. All right, so yeah, this is the Pueblo of Rincon. Guys, it's 1 in the morning. My neighbor's rooster, he's broken, bro. He's cockadoodling at one something in the morning. What the hell, guys? He does this like all the time, like at 2, at 3. He does not let nobody sleep. There's something wrong with him, definitely.